Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable background apps on your Windows 11. So if you're tired of your Windows 11 PC slowing down because of the background apps that are running in background which can consume your CPU memory and battery life and making your PC little bit slow. And so don't worry, today in this video I'll show you how to take control and disable those background apps and freeing up those resources, and in just a click we'll learn how to disable those background apps and also identify these background apps in your Windows 11 PC. So first of all, you just need to go to your start menu, click on it, then just go to settings and open up your settings. After open up your settings, just need to go to the left here and click on apps option. Then you need to go to the installed apps. And here you'll find all the applications that are installed in your PC. As you can see, I have 74 apps installed in my PC. So if I just click on this three-dot menu, you can see there's an option called advanced option. So if I just click on this advanced option for this application, you'll find the option called background apps permission. Now, as you can see, this application is now on power optimized. So if I don't need this application to run on the background, you can just click on never. And this will do is this app will not run on the background in your Windows PC. So you can just go back to your installed apps again and do this for application one by one. So if I just go to this application, so you find that not every application had this advanced option here. As you can see, Microsoft Office has the advanced option to disable the background running. So just go every application and go to the advanced option. And if you find that your application is power optimized, but you don't need that application to run in the background, so you just can choose it to never, and it will not run in the back in Windows 11 PC. So we just need to do this for every application that you don't need in your PC to running in the background. So once you're done with this, you will definitely see a change in your computer. The performance of your computer will be better because the memory of the CPU, overall the resources of the computer, the battery life will be better. And if your PC was slow, it will be better as well. So that's it, guys. This is how you can disable all the apps that you don't need. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.